Hey there fellow filmmakers, welcome to our channel. This video is gonna be super easy and fun. I'm just gonna go over some footage that we got from our new GoPro Hero 10 when we were in Ireland. Let's check them out. All right, so we're here in Achill Island in northwest part of Ireland, and it is just gorgeous, super gorgeous. We're about to head down to Keene Beach, and just look at this place. Gorgeous, super epic. We're on the Wild Atlantic Way here in Northern Ireland. All in all, I really enjoy using the Hero 10 when we're on vacation. I wouldn't normally use this in a professional shoot before this series of camera came out. And now that I've had a chance to use it and really get to see the 4K 60 frames a second footage on my computer, I'm really surprised. I definitely think that I can use this in more documentaries. I can use this in more of our highlights of events. And I'm gonna be bringing this camera pretty much everywhere now that I've got it. If you'd like to see more of our filmmaking series, just hit the subscribe button and we'll see you soon.